Okay, I have these QQQ's juicy levers, and it's time for me to roll. So you could see that the open P&L on the calls is now up 97%. They're expiring today, so that makes sense, and they're out of the money. So since they're out of the money, they're only worth a nickel. So I'm going to go ahead and roll those. I'm also going to roll the 565s since they expire today, but they're way in the money. And you can see that, I'm down in that position, I'm up on the other ones, and that's the way it goes. So on the put position, I'm not going to roll down all the way, just like if it were a call position, I wouldn't roll up all the way. So I'm going to move these to about the 562s, and I'm going to move these to about the 560s. So let's just go to the option chain, since I'm thinking that is the easiest way to do this on this program. It's a little bit different than the other programs I've had. Let's do the puts first. So we're going to go ahead and roll this position down, and we're going to roll it out to Friday. Okay. With Friday, we're going to get a little bit more juice, and it's still this week, and it's still a little bit less risk, but we're going to go down to the 562s, we said, right? So we're going to go to the 562s. It's a market order, and place the order.
Order filled.
That is at about $1.93 juice. And now we do the calls. So we're just going to simply go to these right near the money, roll the position, and we're going to do these out for Friday. And we're going to go right down to the 560s. The stock is right around 560, 32 it says. So we're just going to go to the 560s.
Order filled.
Okay, and now we got those 560s, and there's 290 of juice of that. And that's it. And now we can go back to this position monitor, and you can see those are kind of zeroed out, and then we have to just kind of deal with the deltas on this. But that's the end of that trade for today. Let's see what happens in 2 more days. By the way, today is 23rd of July, and tonight at 8 p.m. on the 23rd of July, I'm having a juice lever workshop. It's this new course that I have. I've been putting a few videos up here, so maybe you've seen a couple of them, but this was just one of those videos showing the juice lever strategy. I think it's really exciting. It's a good thing to learn. It's free webinar tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern time on July 23rd. If you're after July 23rd, that's cool. There's probably going to be a replay up here. But anyway, I'd love to have you there live if you can make it tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern time for the juice lever webinar. See you there. Bye. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.